Start today in Richland County, where a judge has denied the request of two former tenants of Allen Benedict Court to certify a lawsuit as a class action.
Now, that's according to the law firm representing the two former tenants, but there's a lot to unpack here. So J.R. Berry joins us now live in the studio with the latest details. All right, J.R., what does this exactly mean?
Well, the rulings state that former tenants must file individual claims against Columbia Housing if they wish to seek monetary damages. The lawsuit stemmed from the mass evacuation of the complex in January of 2019. Several lawsuits have already been filed by former tenants and by family members of the two men who died. Attorneys say any former tenants and their household members who were on the lease are eligible for representation. They also say they encourage anyone seeking to file to do so as soon as possible. Of course, you'll recall nearly 400 residents of the public housing complex were forced to leave their apartments in January of 2019. Two tenants were found dead due to carbon monoxide poisoning. For some, it took a while to find new housing after multiple moves and hotel stays. And after an investigation ended with no criminal charges, Columbia Fire and police found that there were multiple gas leaks throughout the property. Smoke detectors were also missing in some of the units. They also found exposed wires, mold, and structural defects. Reports showed a history of gas leak repairs and inspection violations at the building, which at the time was about 80 years old. The site stood vacant for over 2 years, but it was ultimately torn down.